Hello everyone, welcome to new video of our channel Kick the Problem. Today I am here with one of the new problem, web array. Before solving this problem, I want to request all of you, as the condition around us is getting worse day by day due to COVID-19, so all of you please stay at home and stay safe. Today's our problem is web array. In this question, we will be given an array and we have to print the numbers like elements of this array in form of web. In example number 1, n is given as 5, that is size of array. Array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the output is in the form of web 2, 1, 4, 3 and 5. In the same way, next example, size of the array is 6, array elements are 2, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again it is printed in the form of web. Now let's see what is web array, how it is going to be solved. Now let's move to our solution. To explain this problem, I have taken example from question. Here size of the array is 5 and array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The elements in this array are in ascending order, that is increasing order, but output we need in waveform, that is first of all greater value 2, then again lower value 1, again greater value 4, again greater lower value 3, again greater value 5. Output is in the form of high, low, high, low, high. If we compare this input array elements and output waveform elements, we can see first and second element is swapped, then it is printed. Again third and fourth element is swapped and printed. At the end there remains only one element, so no need to swap, just print it. There are more two elements, that means even number of elements, then we will swap that too and we will print that. In the code form I have written a for loop to traverse this array elements. After that I will swap in this array ith element with I plus 1 element, means first element with second, third with fourth, fifth with sixth, and I will increase I with 2, I is equals to I plus 2. In place of writing this, I can write this over here, I plus is equals to 2. A normal swap function I have written over here. Swap int array, int I, int j, int temp is equals to arrayfi, arrayfi is equals to arrayfj, arrayfj is equals to temp. Now let's write our code and compile it. So guys, first of all we need to traverse this array, so I will write a for loop. For int I is equals to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus is equals to 2, to increment the value of I by 2. Now inside this for loop I will write swap the array. In this array, swap ith element with I plus 1. Now to define this swap function, I will create a new function called swap public static void swap. Like we have passed here 3 arguments, array, I and I plus 1, so I will write int array, after that int anything abcd you can write, I'm writing I, then int j. Now inside this function normal swapping is done, so I will write normal swap function. So int temp is equals to array of I is equals to array of j, after that array of j is equals to temp. Finally our code is done, so let's compile and run our code. here it is showing something error, like we have written I less than n is equals to 1, that is there should be n minus 1. Now again let's compile our code. So guys, you can see the output what we need in the form of wave 2 1 4 3 5. Let's submit our code. Our code is perfectly right. So guys, if you like our videos, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In future I will be uploading many these kinds of videos related to DS and Algo.